Hello students, in lesson data handling we have learned the terms like the information presented or collected is called data. Writing this information neatly in the table is called data representation. And one more, when any information is represented through pictures or symbols, it is called pictorial representation, pictograph or a pictogram. So example is given over here. Number of toy cars sold per month in a toy shop. So information given of a toy shop, that how many number of cars he sold on every month. So model of the toy car and number of toy cars sold. So model A 1 2 3 4, then model B 2 cars, model C 1 2 3 and half of the car, and model C is given, model D a car and a half, but key is given. One car means 4 cars, means one picture of the car means 4 cars are there, and this half cars picture means 2 cars, so this means 2 cars are there. So we have to, this is the information is given in the form of table or in the form of pictograph, because pictorial representation is given in the form of pictures are given, so pictorial representation is given. So with this example is given. So in pictograph there are four parts are given. Title, number of toy cars sold per month in a toy shop, a title is given, right? So here title is given, this is the title. Now next is label. Labels are the categories. Model A, model B, model C and model D are the categories or the labels. Pictures or the symbol, which pictures is used here? A car, right? A key is given, one car means 4 cars and a half car picture means 2 cars. So now by using this pictograph on the previous page and answer the following questions. So we have to answer the given questions. So how many model A cars are sold during the month? So model A, how many cars are sold? Model A, so how many? 1 2 3 4, but one car means how many cars are there? 4, so this means 4, this is also 4, this is also 4, this is also 4. So how many? 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, or else 4 4s are 16. So how many cars are sold of model A? 16. So here 4 4s are 16. Now next, how many model B cars are sold during the month? How many? Model B, so see the model B, how many? 2, means one car means 4, so 4 2s are, as 2 cars, so 4 2s are 8, so 8 cars are sold, so 4 2s are 8. How many model C cars are sold during the month? How many? So 1 2 3, but one car means 4, so 4 3s are 12, right? So 12, and this half picture of the car means 2, so 1 into 2, so 2, so 12 plus 2, how many? 14, so 14 cars are sold, so 14 cars, 3 multiplied by 4, as 3 whole cars or the complete picture of the car is given, so 3 multiplied by 4, and 1 half picture of car is given, so 1 multiplied by 2, so 3 4s are 12 plus 2 is 14. How many model D cars are sold during the month? How many? Model D, so how many? This one car means 4, so 4 plus 2, how many? 6, so 4 1s are 4 and 1 2s are 2, so 6, 4 plus 2 is 6. Which car has a maximum sale during this month? Which car is sold on model A 16, model B 8, model C 14 and model D 6? So which car sold maximum? Model A. So model A, how many cars in all are sold during the month? How many total number of cars are sold on that month? 16 plus 8 plus 14 plus 6, how many total? 44 cars, right? Now next is given, if Model A cost rupees 200, Model B cost rupees 150, Model C cost rupees 100, Model D cost rupees 50. So what is the total amount earned by the selling the toy car during the month? So price of the cars are given of particular model. So how much money he earn on that particular month is the question. So model A, amount earned, how many cars are there? 16. So 16 multiplied by 200, so how many? 3200. Model B, what is the price? 150. And how many number of cars? 8. So 8 multiplied by 150, so how many? 1200. Model C, 14 into 100, that is 1400. And model D, 6 into 50, that is 300. So how many total amount of money? That is, we have to add all these amounts. So what is the answer? Total he earned 6100 rupees in all of 4 model of the car, right? Now with this we'll start our exercise 6.1. The pictograph given shows the number of drinks sold every day in a shop. Read the pictograph and answer the question. So number of drinks are given that is sold on the particular shop on every day. So number of drinks sold every day in a shop, this representation pictograph is given. Drinks, many drinks are given and number of drinks are sold on every day is given. Coffee, how many? 1 2 3. Then tea, this orange juice, milkshake and iced tea, these drinks sold on that drink shop. Now this cup means how many? 50 drinks. 1 cup means 50 drink, and this half of the cup is given, that means 25 drink. So we have to answer the given questions, right? Now which drink was sold the most? Which drink sold the most? You can, by the picture only you can answer the question. One, you can see most means maximum. Which drink is sold maximum? Tea, you can see in the picture, right? So tea. Which drink was sold the least? Least means less. So which drink is sold less? You can see here, iced tea, right? So iced tea. Now how many orange juices were sold? Orange juices, so here it is orange juice. And how many? 2 cups, but 1 cup means 50. So 50 and 50, 100. So how many? 100. Now if a tea cost rupees 10, how much money did the shopkeeper collects by selling the tea? So how many cups are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 cups are there, but 1 cup means 50. So 7 multiplied by 50, right? So 7 multiplied by 50. So what is the answer? 750 means 7 5s are 35. We have seen the number of multiplication like this. We have to multiply by number, we have to append the 10 to the number. So 7 5s are 35 and append 10, so 350. So how many total number of cups are there? 350. And 1 cup is for rupees 10. So how much money he earned? That is multiplied by 10. So 350 multiplied by 10. So how many? 35 ones are 35, and how many zeros? 2 zeros. So append 2 zeros to the answer. So how much money he earned? 3500 rupees he earned by selling the tea. You have to write the answer in words also. Now how many drinks were sold all together? How many drinks he sold? So we have to add this all. So 5 means 1 plus 1, sorry, 1 2 3. So 1 cup means 50, right? So 3 multiplied by 50. So how many? 5 3s are 15. So append 10. Now next, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 multiplied by 50 is how many? 350. Next 2. So 2 multiplied by 50. So how many? 5 2s are 10. So 100. Then 1 2 3, that 3 means 3 multiplied by 50, that means 150, and 1, that is 50 only. So we have to find how many he sold altogether. So what we will perform here? Addition. So 150, that means coffee, plus 350 cups of tea, plus 100 cups of orange juice, and 150 cups of milkshake, and 50 cups of iced tea. So how many we have to add this all together? So 150 plus 50 is 200, 200 plus 100 is 300, 300 plus 350 is how many? 650, 650 plus 150 is how many? 800, right? So answer is what? 800 drinks he sold all together. Now next is question number 2. A pictogram given below shows the number of trees grown in an orchid. Read the pictogram and answer the question. So the pictograph is given that grows in orchid, fruits and number of trees. So which trees are given? Mangoes. How many? 4, bananas 2, oranges 3, guavas 2. And key is given. One tree means 100 tree. Means 1 means 100. So 100 plus 100 is 200, 300, 400. Like this. Now we have to answer the given question. Which tree was grown the maximum? Which tree is grown maximum? By the picture you can answer. Which tree? Mango. So mangoes. Now, what is the difference in the number of orange tree grown and the number of guava tree grown? So, orange tree is how many? 1, 2, 3. But one tree means 300. So, orange tree how many? 300, right? So, orange trees are 300. And guava trees are how many? 1 means 100. So, what is the difference? Difference means what? Minus, subtraction. So how many? 200, right? 300 minus 100 is what? 200. So difference is what? 200. Now which fruit tree was grown at least or less? How many trees were grown? Which tree is less? That is guava, right? So we'll write here guava. And by how many trees were grown? One tree means what? 100. So 100 trees were grown. Now next is, what is the total number of trees grown in the farm? So we have to add this all. So these are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 means one tree means 100. So 4 means 400, this 200, then this 300, then this 100. So we have to add this all. So 400 plus 200 plus 300 plus 100. So how many altogether? 400 plus 200. Sorry for the disturbance. So how many? 400 plus 200 are 600. 600 plus 300, that is 900. 900 plus 100 is 1000. So how many trees they grown in the farm? That is 1000. Okay. Now next is given, in a recreation club training was given for yoga, dancing, singing and aerobics. 70 children joined yoga, 50 children joined dancing, 40 children joined singing and 20 children joined aerobics. Give a title and represent the data using the picture of your choice for each. Also give a key. So information is given. Recreation club training are categorized in different forms, that is yoga, dancing, singing and aerobics. So information of childrens are given that are joined the particular this category, and we have to represent this data in the form of table, and we have to give the title also. We have to give title and we have to represent that with the help of any picture with our choice, and we have to give the keys also. So first we have to give the title. So what title will give here? So here you can use a title like number of children joined to recreation club training, right? So number of children joined recreation club training, this is the title, and we can give the categories also. So categories are like, and here will show number of children. So number of children. Draw this neatly with the help of scale. I don't have scale now, so I have drawn with my hand only, roughly. So you draw it neatly, correctly, properly. So categories, number of children's, and title is given. Now yoga. So which picture you will like to draw here for yoga and number of children? Which picture? So I will use your smiley face, so represent to data. Here I will use the key, like key, one smiley face is equal to 10 children's. You can use any key, any picture with your choice, but draw it correctly. So for yoga, how many? For yoga, how many? 70. So how many smiley face I have to draw, as one face is equal to 10, so 7 faces, right? So 1, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Done. Next, 50 children for dancing. 50 means how many smileys I have to draw here? 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Singing, how many? 40. So how many smileys I have to draw? 4, right? So 10, 20, 30, 40. Then how many aerobics children's? 20. So 20, 1 and 2, that is 10 and 20. So this is how we can represent the data. You can use any picture with your choice and use any key with your choice, but 10 children are suitable for this type of example. So I hope you understand this.